Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 10 ways to earn money online. Body. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services to clients through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Examples of freelancing services: writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, etc. Selling products on an e-commerce platform. Use a platform like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website to sell physical or digital products. Think about your unique skills or hobbies and how you can turn them into products. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. Create content around a specific topic or niche and monetize through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Consistency and engagement with your audience is key to success. Online tutoring or teaching. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell courses or offer one-on-one tutoring services. Share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning an income. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Use your social media or blog to share products you believe in and recommend. Virtual assisting. Offer your administrative, technical, or creative skills to clients remotely. Use platforms like Searchable or Time, etc. to find and apply for virtual assistant roles. Dropshipping. Create an online store and sell products without having to hold any inventory. Work with a dropshipping supplier to handle the manufacturing and shipping of products to your customers. Renting out your property on Airbnb. If you have a spare room or vacation home, consider renting it out on Airbnb to travelers. This can be a great way to earn passive income. Participating in online surveys or focus groups. Companies are often willing to pay for consumer insights and opinions. Find legitimate survey or focus group opportunities through websites like Survey Junkie or Focus Point Global. Investing in the stock market. While there is a level of risk involved, investing in the stock market can potentially yield high returns. Do your research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investments. Conclusion. These are just a few of the many ways you can earn money online. It's important to find what works best for you and to be consistent and committed in your efforts. Thanks for watching.